Changing the email link to your Netflix account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Netflix website or open the app and sign into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Update email address. In the Accounts section, look for the Membership and Billing area. Click on Change Email to start the process of updating your email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in your new email address in the provided field. You may also be prompted to enter your password again for verification purposes. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, click on Save or Update to confirm the change. You should receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. After completing these steps, your Netflix account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to check your inbox for the confirmation email to ensure everything is set up correctly.